Hi everyone. In today's lesson, we'll be taking a look at what is meant by radians. So in your notebook, please put the subtitle, Radians. A radian is basically a unit of measurement that is used to describe how a circle is cut up. But before we discuss how it does this, let's review how a circle is cut up in terms of degrees. In terms of degrees, a circle is divided into 360 portions. So most people say that one turn around a circle is the same as completing 360 degrees. The big question is, how does radians divide the circle? Well, if you were to punch in 360 degrees into your calculator while it's in degree mode, usually indicated by DEG, and then you use your appropriate button to convert your calculator into radian mode, usually denoted by RAD, you might find that your calculator will spit out that 360 degrees is the same as 2 pi in radian mode. This can lead us to conclude that when it comes to radians, the circle is divided into 2 pi portions, which can lead us to the conclusion that one turn around the circle is equivalent to 2 pi radians. And this leads us to perhaps one of the most important equivalencies when discussing radians, the fact that 360 degrees is the same as 2 pi radians. Knowing this very important equivalency can help us determine other very common equivalencies between degrees and radians. Let's discuss a half turn around the circle. It's very common knowledge that a half turn around a circle is doing 180 degrees around this half circle. And this basically comes from the operation 360 divided by 2. If we were to apply the same logic in radians, then we can say that a half turn around the circle in radians is equal to the full turn, 2 pi radians, divided by 2, which is equal to pi radians. And this produces another very important equivalency. 180 degrees is the same as pi radians. Next, let's take a look at another very common equivalency. This one involves a quarter turn around the circle. It's very common knowledge that a quarter turn around a circle is equivalent to 90 degrees, which comes from doing the full turn, 360, divided by 4. If we were to apply the same reasoning in radians, then that will lead us to the fact that a quarter turn around a circle in radians is equal to a full turn, 2 pi, divided by 4, which gives us a half pi radian. And this is another very important equivalency, that 90 degrees is the same as saying half pi radians. These very common equivalencies between degrees and radians can be illustrated in the following Cartesian plane. Please take a moment to reproduce this Cartesian plane in your notebook. These very common equivalencies between degrees and radians can help us derive many other equivalencies between degrees and radians. And that's all there is, ladies and gentlemen, to what is meant by radians.